Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a clan on Clash Royale. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Clash Royale game and wait for the game to load. Once the game is done loading, you will be taken into the home screen, which is the battle page by default. Now from this page, in order to join a clan, simply tap on the clan option at the bottom right corner, and then you will be able to see various clans that you can join. You will see various ships that you can tap on to automatically join an existing clan, or tap on the show option to see various other clans as well. You can also use the search option to type in the name of your clan that you want to join. After finding the clan that you want to join, you can simply tap on it and then tap on the join button, and then you will be a member of the clan immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a clan on Clash Royale. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.